It's haircut time. I got influenced and I'm nervous, but I haven't had a haircut in like probably 2 months, so it's time. She needs it. This is where my hair is at right now. Not horrible, not great. Let's see if this thing works. Okay, so my hair is brushed out and we're gonna start with this little piece. I'm scared. Okay, just making sure. I hope this is the right size. It might be a little too big. I don't know, we'll see. There's hair in there. Okay, I think I saw somebody say go over it 3 times. I'm gonna do it twice. Oh, it feels soft. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, there's so much hair. Is that normal? So last week I went to a hair spa and did a hair mask, so my hair's been feeling super healthy, but this is unmatched. I feel like my hair is brand new. This is insane. I will warn you, this is making a mess, so do it in a place that you can clean up easily. Okay, this half of my hair is done. I don't know how to explain this to you guys, but it just feels so silky, like all those little rough ends are gone. Hopefully it's all my split ends. I feel like it looks better too. That's how much hair came off my head. I am really happy with this actually. Let's do a close-up, see if you can see the difference. The split ends aren't completely gone, but you can definitely see the difference from the beginning of the video. I have it linked below. I hope it's still in stock. I know it was low when I bought it, so bye!